They don't do today. Yeah, me either. Yeah, me either. Yo, me eat. Wait, what's going on, Roman? You good, bro? No, I think I the hiccups. You think you got the hiccups? Well, that's kind of bad. That sounds bad. I know, right? If I wait 3 days in a row of uploading. Alright, you just messed up a lot, but yeah. By the way, dude. Alright, I don't know what to do. Do you know what to do? No, I don't know what to do with this crap. Call doctor. Call a doctor? Well, yeah, we should do that. I'm gonna call. Hey, D, call the 3 department. Alright, I guess. By the way, took that from Grim. Alright, can you come? My friend has bad hiccups. Great! Hello? No, you're not in this series. Oh, hey, I'm the doctor. What's going on? Robin has the bad hiccups, and it's kind of bad. We're gonna do 5 things. First thing, Apu! No, that didn't do nothing. Apu! Ah, damn, Apu! Alright, that's not gonna work. What are we gonna do? I don't know, maybe Apu! Alright, that was the first thing I was gonna think of. Second thing is Apu! No, okay. The second thing is, let's try to like punch him in the stomach. Okay, let's do this. Let's do this. Alright, Roman, I'm gonna punch you in the stomach. Here we go. Oh, that hurt. Oh, boom. Okay, did that work? No, that is hurt me a lot. When I get rid of them, I will kill you. Oh shit. Alright, what's next? Alright, the third thing is drink water. Yeah, I'll get fucking water. Alright, here's water. Yeah, boom. Oh damn it. Alright. Did it work? Well, number 4, boom. Stop doing this. It's never gonna work. What's number 4? Maybe. Just boom. Alright, no. Maybe. Maybe what, doctor? This is bad. He has bad hiccups. What can we do, dude? Maybe, what can we do for number 4? Oh, I got it. Let's squeeze his stomach. Alright, do it. All ready? No homo. Homo! Did that work? Let me check. You alright? Come on! This is not gonna work. This is pissing me off, and it's already been 3 minutes, and it's short as hell. Do 7 things. Fine, I'll do 7 things. Alright, 5. I got a good one. What is it then? You gonna tell us? Maybe I can kick him in the balls. How is that gonna help? He has hiccups. I'm gonna try it anyway. Alright, stand up. Alright, ready? Wait, we do thing. Oh! See, if he focus on one page, he won't remember about the hiccups. Oh, this is the worst doctor ever. I know he's a dumbass. I'm not a dumbass. That works, right? He ain't doing hiccups anymore. I am going to kill you after my hiccups. Shut up. Alright, what give me the sixth? I don't know. Let's I'm not the doctor. Alright, what we can do for 6? I got it. No, get hold. Do that ass. Alright, number 6. Alright, how about we make him focus on one thing and Roman? What? Your mom died. She's dead. You have to go to the funeral tomorrow. Wait, what? What the fuck is that? I said your mom died. We have to go to the funeral tomorrow. No! Oh shit, I was gonna work. Apple! Alright, no. Apple! You guys don't have hiccups, right? Well, we did Apple! Alright. Apple! Alright. What's number 7? Alright, number 7 will be the best one ever. What is number 7? Number 7. Come on, guys. Come on me. Okay, I guess. Alright, guys. There's someone standing over there. Wait. There's someone standing over there. Right there. See? Right there. And he's a worker that's just taking a break. And we're going to threaten to kill him. And that Roman's going to get scared. Wait, how is that going to work? Because it is. Let's go. Hey, mister! What? Give me your money! Alright now? Alright? This is a robbery. Better give me your fucking money my mom now, huh? I don't have... Get your ass down on the floor. I'm a police officer. Give me your money now. Double! You know what? This is a waste of time. You know what? I don't know what to do, guys. I mean, I did all 7 things that was possible. Okay, that was weird. Alright, Roman, I don't know what to do for you. I'm sorry. You can have it forever. Forever? No! Wait. Yeah, alright. Good luck. Shit. You guys just gonna ditch us? Yeah, that sucks. Alright, Roman, what are you gonna do? Don't. No. Why you just did that? Ah! What the what? Scared of? The camera. Why is it floating? It's not wait, what? It's floating! I'm scared! Wait, where's your hiccups? Wait, what? Wait, you lost your hiccups! Next to the camera. It's not even floating. Someone's holding it. Alright, Roman, you got rid of your hiccups. Why, he's getting scared of the camera, man. Wait, it's floating! No, it's not, dumbass. That's the video, I guess, guys. Alright, guys, this is the video, I guess. Guys, I'm out here, you piece. Oh, that's scary as shit. Ah, shit.